Let's make the softest sourdough sandwich bread you've ever baked, the kind that makes the best toast and the fluffiest sandwiches. First up, the premix and autolyse. Pop your sourdough starter, flour and water into your stand mixer, give it a quick mix, just enough to come together into that classic shaggy dough we all know and love. Then step away for about 30 minutes and let it relax. You can use that time to wash a dish or, let's be honest, scroll sourdough reels for research. Next, add your salt, butter, sugar, mix for about a minute. Then let it rest again. Now it's time to knead. Use your dough hook, knead for about 3 minutes until it's smooth and elastic and the butter's disappeared. Once it's silky and strong, it's on to bulk ferment. Pop it into a bowl, cover it up and let it rise. Depending on your kitchen, this might take a few hours. Sourdough likes to do things on its own schedule. When it's ready, it's shaping time. Butter your loaf pan, then gently ease your dough out onto the counter. No flour needed. Flatten it slightly, roll it into a log, tuck those ends under, and give it a little 30-minute nap. Then tighten it up and plop it into your loaf pan. Now it's time for the second rise. You'll know it's ready when it's beautifully domed over the top of the pan and springs back slowly when poked. Kind of like your sourdough saying, "I'm ready for the oven now." Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes until golden brown and smelling like absolute heaven. If the top starts getting a little too brown, just pop some foil on. Finally, the hardest part, letting it cool for at least 90 minutes before you slice it. I know, pure torture, but once you cut that first soft pillowy slice, it's totally worth it. And that's it. A perfect loaf of sourdough sandwich bread that's as cozy and satisfying as it gets.